Well, I thought I'm just going to make a few sort of fluted edged or ended bowls today. You've probably seen this video a million times before, but because I only make so many different things, I'm going to repeat things now and again. So I'm using a piece of clay about £1, 1 pound 2 ounces. I'm just going to leave quite a bit of a thickness at the bottom because they're going to be on a kind of a foot. I'll just open it out slightly. And just push it to form a foot and then just flare it out. And really now it's just a matter of just bellying it out from the inside and just rolling the rim over like so. So like I said with these, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a bit of it's a bit like a spout really on the edge. I'm just going to use my middle finger and just stretch it out like so. On the other side, and then what that gives you, it gives you like a profile like that. Doesn't really serve any purpose as such, but it's just a bit of a different thing from a straight bowl. So yeah, just making a few of these today. Now, if anyone's not subscribed and you do enjoy the videos, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notifications, turn that on, so then you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. Because although I've got loads of subscribers, I never seem to get any views anymore, so I might as well give up. So again, just flaring it open, rolling the rim over a bit, get it a bit flatter. And again, just using your middle finger, as you would to make a spout in a jug or something like that. Just slowly stretching it as you go, and that gives you the little spouted edge. One thing, I think I've figured out how to stop the video flickering now and strobing. It had a default setting of so many hertz, and I think it was set to the American standard, and I think the British standard light flicker is different to the American one, so I've set it to 50 rather than 60, and it appears not to be flickering or strobing now, so that should be a bit less annoying to watch than a big flickering strobing light. That's the trouble with these fluorescent lights, although it's invisible to the naked eye, they do strobe and flicker, and it seems to get picked up on video cameras. So it's just that every time that you update your camera software, it reverts back to the original. And because GoPros are so complicated to change the settings, because there aren't any buttons on it as such, you've got to sort of know which way to swipe. It just takes ages to figure it out. So anyway, I think we've got it sorted for now. Technology. So again, wouldn't be easy, quite quick to do. Running out of room. Just do one more, then that'll be 5. I don't suppose you want to watch me making 30, one after the other. So there we go, folks, that's 5 of these little spout edged bowls made, and I think that's about it.